Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about corona and factors of corona effect. So actually what is corona? The phenomenon of violet glow, hissing noise and production of ozone gas is in an overhead transmission line is known as corona. Okay. So if the conductor are polished and smooth, the corona glow will be uniform throughout the length of the conductor, mind it. Otherwise, the row point will appear brighter with DC voltage difference in appearance of the two wires. The positive wires has uniform glow about it, while the negative conductor has spotty glow. Clear? But when the potential gradient at the conductor surface reaches about 30 kV per centimeter, then the velocity acquired 30 kV, clear it, 30 kV, then the velocity acquired the free electrons in sufficient to strike an neutral molecules with enough force. Clear? Now let's discuss about factors of affecting corona. So the four factors are affecting on it. 1. Atmosphere. 2. Conductor size. 3rd. Spacing between conductors, and 4th is line voltage. So how atmosphere affecting on corona? As corona is formed due to ionization of air surrounding the conductor, therefore it is affected by physical state of atmosphere. In the stormy weather, the number of ions is more than normal, and as such corona occurs at such less voltage and compared with fair weather. Clear? After that, conductor size. The corona effect depends upon the shape of conditions of conductors. The row and irregular surface will give noise. Row and irregular surface will give noise. To more corona, because universe of the surface decreases the value of breakdown voltage. Clear? And spacing between conductors. So this effect, if the spacing between conductors is made very large as compared to the diameters, there may not be corona effect. It is because the large distance between conductors reduce electrostatic stress. And after that, the line voltage. It is one of the important things in corona effect. So the line voltage greatly affects corona. If it is low, there is no sense in the conditions of air surrounding of the conductor, hence the corona is formed. Clear? So that's are the corona and factors of corona effects. So thank you everyone. See you next tutorial.